Hello. I want to share something with you. It's a poem that I wrote in January of 2013. I'm a little bit, I wish I'm a little over here, but yeah, uh, doesn't matter. So, anyway, I have this poem. Here it goes. Emotional Ride. When I was on my way to East Orient, it was a cold, heart-pumping Monday afternoon. The trees stood proudly, leaves dark green, some yellow and blown, dancing in the chill breeze of winter. The air, fresh yet moldy smelling, loomed with the thought of spring, when suddenly the cold winds changed. What a creepy freak. I'm wondering what he's thinking. I'm right here behind him with my windshield wipers switching in the rain. Those two red lights and another light on the top. Underneath it says, "Come be my hand and I will take you to the sea of fire." What fire? I was focused on him in his mirror. He waved his black covered hand. He stared right at me. The earth moved. My hand shook, sweating, neck stiff like a board. But to my surprise, the door slammed. He turned out to be my what? What a lovely day. Oh, yes. Yes, it was.